Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Lovo AI account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to sign up for a Lovo AI account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address lovo.ai and hit on enter. And over here guys, on the search result of Google, there is the Lovo AI available. On the first result, click over there, and on the home page of Lovo AI you can see the start now for free button as well as the sign up button available at the top right corner of the screen. You can click on either of these buttons to go to the sign up or the registration process of Lovo AI. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your credentials, but before that, you can see the continue with Google option or the button available. If you click on that button, a login page to your Google account will open, and if you log into your Google account, then you will have registered an account on Lovo AI with your Google account. And with that being said guys, let's enter our full name, your email address guys, with which you want to create an account or register an account on Lovo AI. And after that, enter your password. Be sure to make it strong guys, with some capital letters, some small letters, some infamous signs like these you can see. And after that, again enter your password over here to confirm your password. And guys, over here, after filling out all of your credentials, simply click on sign up, and on the next step you will have created a Lovo AI account. And also a verification link will be sent to you on your email, which you have just entered over here. And after opening that verification link, your account will be verified and you'll be able to use the Lovo AI with ease. And with that being said guys, simply click on sign up and go to the customization of your Lovo AI. And there, this is how you sign up for a Lovo AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.